at David's shop right now. It's a little loud right now, but we got Matt's Civic on the dyno right now. David just did a K swap on it. Came in as a show. The Mickey Thompson's temporary setup. This is the owner right here.
Setup came from EP3.
EP3. It's just sick. We're gonna see how much it makes on this. So far, I think it's in the 570s. And yeah, from it being a show to having a full motor in it, which is crazy. How much you make? Mommy just made $589. This stock K swap, boosted. What do you think about this $589?
It's good, man. I'm happy. That's what I was aiming for.
Clean.
That's what we were kind of shooting for. 600, 5 around there.
It was almost in the 600s.
Yeah, almost there.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean, this is clean. From it being a show to having a K in it.
Ooh, yeah, it changed a lot.
From not running to making almost 600, this is good.
From nothing to 600.
Yeah.
That rear is rubbing. Yeah, that rear definitely needs to fucking come up. Smoky as fuck.
Probably need to just raise it at the same time. I'm on the way home right now and shit. The homie Matt's fucking little EM1, that shit put down some power. I mean, the fucking car didn't even have a motor in it, which is sick, you know? Like this car when I first got it, it was a little D series. A week later, started knocking and shit. I didn't fuck with it, so I ended up swapping it. David put some work in. And shout out to Matt, letting me record his car. Shout out to David, letting me record in the shop. Yeah, it was a pretty good Saturday. You know, it's Friday for me. Just got off work, went to the shop, about to go home, kick it. But I'll see you guys in a bit.
The next day.
What's up, y'all? Runner just picked me up. About to head up the junkyard. It's 8:30 in the morning. Trying to see what's up with the Civics. Hopefully there's some Civics. There's a couple things I need on the Civic. I'll show you guys later. There's a lot of flaws that you guys are gonna see on it, and I mean, we're gonna try to fix it and see what's up with it. see what's up at the junkyard. Maybe we can find some little parts for the Civic right here too. Hondros. Yeah, we'll see you guys at the junkyard. This junkyard didn't let us film.
Yeah, they told us to leave the camera in the car. So, I mean, we were only there for like 5-10 minutes. It was quick.
Yeah, we didn't find shit. So
Literally, bro.
this junkyard shit just took a dump on us. I mean, we're just about to go home and show you guys what's up with the Civic. That's why we're probably just gonna go home right now, show you guys what's up with the Civic, why we came here in the first place. But yeah, man, shit. I mean,
nothing wrong with your Civic. Like, there's nothing fucked up with it, but you'll see why. All right, so after all of the fails at the junkyard, we decided to stop at some of the stores here in the area. We came to Ace Hardware, stuff at O'Reilly's, who's got some oil.
Closest plan fell through with us swapping out these parts on the whip. I'm gonna do something else for you guys. My front lip is not color matched to the car and it's pretty ugly. So we're about to get some paint, color match for you guys. Hopefully make it look decent. And yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Alright. Yeah, so we'll see how it looks to the car.
Temporary. So yeah, we'll
Hey, what's up, follow TGK? I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're about to take off the lip right now. We're gonna get it ready to get prepped. We're gonna throw some alcohol in it. Just kind of clean it up before we paint it. I'm trying to do like the best I could. To be honest, I'm kind of familiar with the paint already, like spray painting. So we'll see what's up.
Yeah, it's just what it looks like so far.
So far, the before. Yeah, before.
Quick update, Goose.
It's ass.
So this is the finished product. We didn't really show the process of us actually painting it because we were just kind of in a hurry. Wanted to get it over with, but yeah. This is it right here. You know, little $5 rattle can job. Better than black.
Better than black, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll see how it sits over time. Yo, what's up? It's the next day. Me and Honda just went to the junkyard yesterday, but we didn't find anything. But I just went today and I caught a couple things. I'm gonna show you guys right now. And I just picked up some windows. The reason why I picked up some windows, I'll show you guys in a bit, but my windows are stained. I don't know how, why. I don't know if you guys could see. Yup, right there. It's like stained. I got the car like that. I don't know why it's stained or how it happened, but and I tried tinting it. I did a 5% and it pops out even more than what it used to be. By the way, this is how the lip came out. It's a little lighter than the actual car, but yeah, it didn't come out too bad. It's way better than black for sure. One of the windows back here, and then I have the other one in the garage. I'm about to clean up real quick. I did come with tint, but I'm gonna take it off and retint it, so it's not a big issue. I'm gonna clean it up real quick and see how it looks. Just a quick update. I did take off the tint and started taking some of the residue off. I mean, I cleaned this area already. Still got all this right here. I don't know if you guys can see that glue, but I already took off this area, so window 1 is done. Just got done cleaning it. Now to move on to the next one. This is window number 2. As you can see, there is some tape that they had before on this glass, but I'm about to get rid of it right now. And just like that, the tape is gone. And there's a little bit of adhesive, but for the most part, it's all gone. These windows are all cleaned up, ready to install. Okay, so we're about to remove the door. So there's a bolt right behind this handle, right there. There's a bolt right there. And then there's gonna be 3 bolts right here. They're just crossheads. And then this whole panel should come off. Okay, so I already took off this handle right here. Then this one, since the bolt's out already, it should just pop off pretty easy, just like that. And then the whole thing. And disconnect this clip right here. And then we'll move on to these right here. And then this should just pop off just like that. And then stock speakers, if anyone wants to sponsor me, let me know. It's right here too. 1, 2, 3. And then you gotta unplug your speaker too, disconnect it. So I would probably do that first. So I just took off the door panel, and then now we're ready just to unbolt the screws that are holding up the window. And then for that, you're gonna have to be rolling up and down the window. So I'll probably disconnect this control right here, and then start rolling it down till we see some bolts clean. And then I roll down the window, you should be able to see these bolts right here that are holding up this window right here. So there's one, and we should be able to see the second one right here. So if we just move it up, there's the other bolt. And then all of these bolts are doing is just clamping up this window together. So we'll remove those and the window should come out. Cool, so I loosened the bolts, and these bolts are 10 millimeter. So always keep that 10 on you. And then I loosened them, slide over that little hole to this big hole, the window should come out. So I just removed the window right now. I'll show you. Look at that stain, looks like someone just jizzed on it. It's stained. But yeah, this is a big, ugly stain, and it's super noticeable, and I don't like that on the whip. So we're about to put this new one in. Hopefully it makes a difference. So we just installed it, put the bolts back where they're supposed to be, and then when you do install it, make sure it's in track. It's very important. It has to be in there. See, I wish I could have showed you guys the process of me doing it, but it got a little late and I didn't get no shots of it, you know, actually on the car, but you could tell the difference for sure, because I mean, there's no cum stain anymore. Oh yeah, no more stain, so. Oh yeah, this is a lip. It came out a little lighter, but it's color match, but better than black, so.
Yo, what's up?
Let's go with y'all. First things first.
We went to like 4 junkyards, nada. So, Goose ended up coming back the next day, and what, bro?
Shit, I ended up seeing some windows, cleaner windows than what I had, as you guys saw, and swooped them up, installed them. I mean, I'm sorry that, you know, shit didn't go as planned, because I had to continue the video the next day.
Like, I'm sure, like, if you like doing shit to your car, whatever goes as planned, nothing.
It's a car life, but we're sorry, you know, that shit was just everywhere. And we could have done better in our part, and now we know for the future. But
yeah, it's like a learning process for us, so, you know.
Yeah. Next video, we might take you guys on a little date with us and show you guys what we'll be eating and shit. So
yeah, little food vlog.
Stay tuned for it. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Yup. Well then, yeah, it's supposed to see it. You can talk about the lid.
Fuck the lid.